Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm taking you guys through how I do my glowing black soap, glowing face black soap, and I use this Ghana black soap. You can use any black soap you have at your disposal, like organic black soap, like a black soap that nothing is added to it. So in this video I'll be using this black soap and I'll be taking a little bit more than half. This soap is going to glow your skin, it's going to revive it, it's going to make it look like so supple and like let's get into it. So you're going to break the soap into pieces so that the ingredient is going to fuse in well. The first ingredient I'll be using is honey. Guys, please, there are fake honeys around, so make sure you're getting a quality one. Watch this video to the end to know how I do it and how I apply it on my face for effective results. I'll be using this 1/3 cup spoon, so it actually means that three full of this spoon is going to fill a cup. So yeah, I'm going to pour the honey and I'm going to measure half of the spoon I'm using right now, and I'm going to pour it in my mixture. Like, honey is going to glow your skin. Honey is even good for the driest skin, the toughest skin. It's going to moisturize your skin, it's going to heal your skin, it's going to clear scars and acne on your face. Like, honey is just going to make your skin glow, like I mean the glow, you know. And the next ingredient is turmeric powder. I don't even need to talk much about turmeric powder because turmeric powder has a lot of benefits, but if you are using turmeric powder you have to be very careful because it stains a lot, so you have to be very careful not to stain your environment or your clothing or anything around you. I'm also measuring the same quantity I measured the honey, so kind of I want like the same measurement when it comes to the honey and the turmeric, because these are the two main ingredients in my glowing black soap. It really works on my skin. Okay, so the next ingredient I'll be using half a teaspoon, and I'll be taking salicylic acid. Guys, salicylic acid helps combat acne, pimples. Like, it's going to clear your pimples, it's going to clear hyperpigmentation, and it's also good, like it's very good for the skin. You're going to get, this is organic, all these ingredients are organic. You're going to get it from any organic shop around you. So after using the salicylic acid, the next ingredient is lactic acid. I got it in an oil form. Guys, please, if you are using oils for your soap, you make sure you use a little, otherwise your soap is not going to lather well. So I just use 1/2 teaspoon of it, and after that you are going to get a mixing game going on. I'm using my hands, I'm not using any gloves because this is not any whitening soap or anything like that. It's not any bleaching soap. They are very safe, they are organic, and it's not going to harm my skin or anything. So I'm using my hands to mix everything. Guys, please mix the ingredients very well. Make sure you mix them very well. If you need any extra assistance, as in I don't know, a wood or anything like that, make sure you mix it well, otherwise it might react to your skin. So just make sure you're mixing it well. And let's talk about the ingredients in this soap. Guys, honey, turmeric, salicylic acid, and lactic acid. Lactic acid is also very good for the skin. It helps glow the skin. It's going to also clear hyperpigmentation. And lactic acid is a type of AHA, that's AHA, and AHA is well known in skin products. It clears your skin, it makes it supple, and it also glows your skin. So yeah guys, that's it. After that, we are ready to apply this on your face. The mixture looks like peanut butter, so I just felt like just eating it up, like I'm just going to eat this up, but no, it's not good for us. So yeah, it's time to apply the mixture on my face. You have to wait for 5 hours or overnight. You just place it down and maybe use it the next day, or you can wait till 5 hours before you start using it, so that all the ingredients is going to fuse in the soap very well. You realize that my soap turned the turmeric color because the turmeric is too much in it. Yes, we have a turmeric max in our soap. Yeah, so turmeric is very good for the skin, and the honey too has made it very sticky. And this are the two main ingredients that helps glow my skin. Guys, this is going to glow your skin. Trust this. Like, guaranteed results. You are not going to go wrong with this recipe. Try it out and let me know your outcome in the comment section. So after applying, I'm going to wait for 15 minutes and I'm going to wash it off. Your girl is just dancing and just playing around, waiting for the 15 minutes to reach. So after that, I'm going to wash it off. When washing it off, I didn't use soap because I just didn't know why, but I just didn't use soap. But you have to, don't copy me, you have to use a soap because the turmeric, as I earlier said, the turmeric stain starts a lot. So you realize that all the turmeric didn't clear on my face. Some of it, like the color and everything, were on my face. So I just decided to use this medicated tea tree wipes. It's also good for the skin, and I just use that to clean up everything. I'm going to insert a picture of me. That's how my face looks anytime I'm done applying this soap on my face. And you can do this 2 to 3 times a week for effective results. Let me know in the comment section if you are going to try this. So all the best, guys, and thanks so much for watching this video. I really do love you. But if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I still don't get why you haven't done that and what you are waiting for. So yeah, although I have some like pimples on my face, but you could see my skin is really glowing. So yeah, see you in my next video. Bye bye.